Today, the Excel tutorial is to calculate the sum, mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of this range. To calculate the sum of this range, so we need to use the function sum. So we need to type equal sign sum open parentheses b1 through b12 close parentheses, enter. The mean is the average of this range, so we need to type equal sign average open parentheses close parentheses, and the median is to calculate the middle number of these 12 numbers, and the mode is to calculate the most frequent number of this range. So we need to use equal sign mode b1 through b12 close parentheses, enter. The standard deviation is based on the sample because the 12 number is a sample, so we need to use equal sign stdev points as open parentheses b1 to b12. So that's all right. These numbers are the result of this range. Thank you very much.